guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are at the Contemporary Hotel. We are on our family vacation that I've been looking forward to for a really long time, and I actually was planning on giving you guys a room tour, but it's nearly 5 o'clock at night and they still have not serviced our room, so I guess that's not going to happen. But I would like to give you guys a tour of the hotel itself, and as the week progresses I will give you an update on our just like review of the hotel itself and the room. I have to say we're on to day 2 right now, and I am really sadly disappointed with this hotel. The Contemporary is considered one of the deluxe hotels, and the monorail does run right through it, and it's where Chef Mickey's is, and we actually had our first dinner there the first night. Tonight we're going to the California Grill for dinner, so I was really excited to finally have the opportunity to be able to book a room here at the Contemporary Resort. But day 1, oh good, I'm sorry about that, the air conditioning just turned off. Day 1, the bathroom was disgustingly dirty upon our check-in. I won't give details, but it wasn't clean, and that kind of threw me off, you know, on a bad foot to begin with. And then when we woke up in the morning, there were bugs all over the ceiling and they were crawling on the sheets and things, so we weren't happy about that. So we asked them to please come and to take care of all those things. The shower wasn't working, so they were supposed to fix that as well. So it's just like all of this nonsense stuff that you really don't expect to have to deal with at a deluxe hotel, where, you know, you're paying so much more money at these higher end resorts, and I just kind of feel like these are not things that I would typically have to deal with even at like an inexpensive motel. I've never had these types of situations, so not off to a very good start. The hotel itself is very beautiful. I love the whole theming with, you know, Chef Mickey being here, and just knowing it's one of the very first resorts in Disney World, so it kind of had that sentimental value to me, just knowing that there's some historical background there. So I am really trying so hard to like it here. I'll see, you know, what progresses from this point on, but I would like to give you guys a tour of the hotel itself. And now we are getting ready for dinner at the California Grill. Myself and my husband are actually meeting friends there, so that should be fun, and we're excited for a fun night out. Going into the Contemporary. Here is the lobby area and Contemporary grounds where you can get coffee in the morning. Here is the front desk of the lobby, and then over here they just have water set up and couches. The escalator up to Chef Mickey's, and over here there's an area for relaxing and watching movies. We're heading back out the main entrance, and coming back out, this is where you would go all the way down the right and catch your bus to the parks. So here is the main pool. This is nice. Here's the slide.
Are we gonna go in there?
Big slide, yeah. Let's go in and check it out. This is the pool at night. Here we go. Very nice. Ooh, look at the moon. The moon every night so far has been like amazing. Look at how pretty that looks. Okay, so here is the main pool at the Contemporary and the slide. And now let's go check out the smaller pool. So here is the other pool. It's a more private pool. It's quiet over here. There's no lifeguard or anything. This is just like, oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is really pretty because it overlooks the lake. And there's the beautiful moon again. There's like nobody here. This is really nice. Very pretty. There goes a boat. Okay, and this is the pool area. Here is the beach with the volleyball. And we just saw a cat, but it ran into the bushes here somewhere. This is pretty though. This is a nice beach area. Very pretty. Again, the hotel itself is really nice. Just unfortunately, we had some bad experiences with our room. Here's the little splash pad for small children. This is really cute. Very nice. Going up to Chef Mickey's, the restaurants, the shops, the monorail. Oh, there's a bride. Somebody's getting married. Aww. Or maybe she's just wearing a white dress. Wait, do we have to go up again? Yeah, like up. To Chef Mickey's. Alright, so up here we have Chef Mickey's, the Contempo Cafe. And then we have this beautiful mosaic on the wall that I wanted to see. This is really pretty. Wow, it goes all the way up. Beautiful. This is pretty. Oh, the monorail's coming. Where? Here comes the monorail. And here's the Fantasia store. What's this store?
That's like souvenirs.
BBG, souvenir store. Emily says Fantasia is a better store, so we'll check out that. And then over here is another one of the big mosaics on the wall. This is really pretty. Beautiful. And let's go into Fantasia. Look at all these phone cases. Look at the line. Look at all these records. Look at the Beauty and the Beast record.
But they're all $21.
Oh my gosh. Oh, they have A Nightmare Before Christmas too.
I was gonna get one.
Oh my gosh. I love it.
I was like, I'm probably not gonna listen to.
These are so cute, but a total waste of money because we had a package of them and they all fell off of our magic bands already. So I feel like you're gonna lose them if you buy them. Sorry guys, they're adorable, but they're not gonna last. Yeah. Just saying. This is the BBG store. I know, but it's a really pretty setup.
Yeah.
And look at like all the artwork. I love that. This is a pretty store. I like it. Oh, they have a new Christmas countdown.
That's cute.
That's really cute. We have the Victorian one though. I like that. It's more appropriate for our house, but that's really cute too. Look at all the Christmas stuff out already. Very nice. Look at all of these goodies. What did you want, Em?
I don't know.
It looks so good. Look at all the Christmas pastries they have. The little gingerbread Mickey and the snowman and the Christmas tree. Oh, look at the stocking. It's cute. Nice. One of the nicest things about this hotel is you can come right out and watch the fireworks at night right above the castle. California Grill.
This is a nice view.
Gorgeous. Do they have anything for complimentary or anything? Because that's nice.
Yeah.
So we just had dinner at the California Grill. It was really good. Sadly, this is our last night at the Contemporary. We really have not had a good experience here, unfortunately. So tomorrow they're moving us over to the Yacht Club. Here is the hallway. The floor looks like eggs to me. This is the hallway going down to our hotel room. So we are checking out of the Contemporary today, and I thought I'd give you a quick look at the room, even though it hasn't been serviced yet and it's a little bit of a mess, but all of our stuff is out right now and we are heading over to the Yacht Club. So this is where you come in, and then right next to the door is this closet, and you have plenty of space in here for hanging up things. There's a place here that you can just keep your luggage. So it's a nice big closet. And right next to that is a little kitchen area, and there is a Keurig, and they do give you plenty of coffee and creamers and things. And then underneath the kitchen area here is a little fridge. A little area here where you can store things. And then another closet space, an iron, safe, more drawers. Over here you have your TV, which is above this really pretty little light up area. Like, it almost looks like a little fireplace. And there's lots of mirrors in the room, which is cool. And then again, this is our view. It's partial parking lot, but it's pretty because the water's over here. And then on this side, we can see the fireworks at night. And the water pageant goes through here, or part of it anyway. I saw one night, which was really nice. And then we have two, I think they're queen size beds. They're full or queen. A little desk area over here with another mirror for getting ready in the morning. And then down here we have the bathroom, and there's a sliding door here to enter and exit the bathroom area. And then you have your sinks. These sinks are kind of weird. Everything like kind of sits, and there's not much counter space at all. So getting ready in the morning has been a little bit of a challenge, but yeah, you have the two sinks, the shower, and then there's another sliding door over here so that you can have privacy for the bathroom area. And what I really liked was there's a hamper in here, and that's been working out really well because I can just fill it up and then transfer it to our dirty laundry bag and pack it away with our luggage. But it's nice to have a place for everybody to throw their dirty clothes. And that is the room tour, and now we are headed over to the Contemporary, so yeah, I'll give you a tour there once we arrive. Thanks for watching. Take care.